Hey! Ever wondered what your brain is up to while you're snoring away at night? Is it completely off like a laptop on shutdown? Or does it secretly turn into some sort of overnight superhero? Well, spoiler, your brain gets busier than ever. From memory storage to emotional repair, toxin cleanup to dreaming weird stuff about flying goats, there's a lot going on. So buckle up. We're breaking down what really happens inside your brain while you sleep. Let's start with a myth. That sleep is your brain's way of shutting down. False. Your brain never actually sleeps. In fact, some parts of it become more active at night. Think of it like a nightclub. During the day, it's running business meetings, checking emails and answering texts. At night, the lights dim, the cleanup crew moves in, and the DJs of memory, emotion and dreams take the stage. So no, your brain doesn't power off. It just changes its job description. Sleep happens in cycles. Each one is about 90 minutes long, and each cycle has 4 major stages. Stage 1, light sleep, you're dozing off. Brain waves slow down. Stage 2, still light sleep, but heart rate slows, temperature drops. Brain waves show little bursts called sleep spindles. Stage 3, deep sleep. The real magic begins. Brain waves are at their slowest. Hard to wake up. REM sleep, eyes dart back and forth. Brain waves go wild. You start to dream. You cycle through these 4 stages over and over all night, but each one has its own mission in your brain's night shift. Enter the glymphatic system. Never heard of it? You're not alone. It's like a street sweeper for your brain, clearing out waste while you sleep. During deep sleep, your brain cells shrink slightly, opening up space for fluid to wash out toxins. One of those toxins, beta amyloid, a protein linked to Alzheimer's. So basically, if you don't sleep well, your brain gets dirty, like mentally dusty. Deep sleep equals brain detox. You know how your phone auto-sorts photos into albums? Your brain does the same thing while you sleep. During REM and deep sleep, it's sorting everything you saw, felt, or learned that day. Important memories go into long-term storage. Useless stuff, deleted. Emotional events, processed for healing. This is why sleep before and after studying actually boosts memory. Basically, sleep is your brain's version of clicking save on your life. Ah yes, dreams. The weird theatre of the brain. Most dreams happen during REM sleep. That's when your brain is active but your body is paralyzed. Why? So you don't punch your pillow thinking it's a dragon? Dreams are still mysterious, but scientists believe they help. Process emotional experiences, boost creativity, solve problems, simulate future scenarios. Ever wake up with a brilliant idea? You might owe your brain's dream mode a thank you. Now imagine skipping all that good stuff. No cleanup, no memory sorting, no dreams, no repair. That's what happens when you don't sleep. Even one night of poor sleep can slow your thinking, lower your immune system, mess with your emotions, affect your decisions. Long-term, sleep loss can lead to anxiety, depression, heart disease, obesity, memory loss. So yes, sleep isn't a luxury, it's survival. To recap, your brain works overtime when you sleep. It detoxes waste, it files memories, it reboots your emotions, it lets you dream, and all this happens while you're lying still in the dark. So respect the sleep cycle, your brain deserves it. If you like this breakdown, hit that like button, subscribe, and share this with someone who pulls all-nighters way too often. This is Easy Breakdowns, where everyday things make sense. See you in the next one.